Hello, my name is Raghvendra Upadhyay, and today I'm going to talk about what is semantic web and what are the methods used in it. So, the first thing which comes into your mind is what is semantic? So, a semantic is a study of languages, like in how many way a sentence can be written. Like if I say I love my country, then the word love can be replaced by a heart symbol on anything. So what we can say is that every sentence has different meanings, and it can be represented in different forms. So this is semantic. The specific location, if we the specific meaning, if we ask what is semantic, then semantic is a linguistic study of meanings. So another question which arises now in the mind is, why do we need semantic? So, as we know, the data which is present to us is in an unstructured way. So, to make that data in a structured way and in a basic formatic way, we need to use some methods which can help us to fetch the data, extract the data, and get information out of it. So, semantic web plays an important role in doing all these things. So what semantic web do is it creates a common meaning for that sentence or for the data, so that we can communicate that we can use or communicate that data with one another. Like this data can be used by two different machines, and both the machines can be familiar with the concept and can communicate with each other without any problem because of semantic web. The basic aim for the semantic web is to provide a knowledge management system for the data. Now, what is knowledge management system? The question which arises basically after this. Knowledge management system is a method in which we represent the unstructured data in a structured form, and that and that data can be used by the user in various ways. Like we can extract the data, we can process the data, we can maintain the information, and we can view the information. So these are some things which are being covered in knowledge management system. So semantic web can be used in different sectors. Like we can use semantic webs in business to business, business to consumer, or in, like see in Wikipedia. In Wikipedia, if we see in any word, any word can have a different meanings. Like if I say a car can be used. A car can be explained in a four-wheeler which has four wheels, and in another format also car can be represented in other ways. Like what are the types of car? Like it is an SUV, is it a sedan, is it a hatchback? So each and every word has different meaning. So to overcome this problem of different meanings, the uh, semantic web comes in a play, and it structured the unstructured and the semi-structured data which we have, and represent it to the user. So if we use semantic web, so the question rises that what are the methods which are being used in semantic web, so that these unstructured data are being formatted into structured data. So the basic method which is being used is ontology. Now, what is an ontology? Ontology is a structured format of any data. Like if we take a university, what is a university? A university can have a staff member. A university can have number of students. It can have it can have like number of students. What are the strength? What are the working staff? And all those things are mm, what all things are being there. So, what ontology will do is it will create a relational data. It will create a relational diagram. Like a university can have what university can have its sub branches and sub lower branches. All those branches are being represented in ontologies. So ontologies are used in semantic from a very longer time, and these ontologies use RDF schemas. Now, what are RDF schemas? RDF schemas are nothing but these are some of the basic formats which are being used to represent data. So what things we have covered are what is semantic. and how is it useful, and what are the technologies, what are the methods which are being used in semantic webs. So if you have any doubt, you can go on to my YouTube channel, and thank you.